Okay, day 7. 7 days na po kaming nagta-travel. So this time from North Cap, dito tayo dadaan sa kabilang way. Here, we're gonna pass by here para naman ma-experience natin yung other side of the road. Yan. Heading to Alta. Okay, here. Somewhere here. Para mabuo natin yung mapa. This area, ito yung makikita mo, it's more on land. Okay, let's find any exciting view. We're heading to Alta. Ayan, ito yung Skye-Dee town or city, I don't know. But anyway, may mga houses here. So Skye-Dee, a little town. Yan, may dadaanan tayo. May mga oil sila. Ayan, oil. Gasoline station. Ayan, ito mga bahay. So, mostly mga bukid-bukid na dito na area. At yung mga bahay doon sa tuktok ng bundok, isa-isa. And then I notice here, yung mga bahay nila, they don't have, lapit-lapit na bahay. Malaki yung mga backyards nila. Ayan. 800 meters to Alta. Houses on the top of the mountain. Very unique. This side, meron silang long river. Ayan. I don't know if you can see it clearly there. Masyadong maliwanag ang araw ngayon. Ayan. Parang madaming isda dyan Bukid. Lagi din tayo sa bukid. And of course, they have always parking area if you want to stop by. Here. Wala na naman akong makita. Sayang na naman akong memory. Yan. Hindi na sayang. I got you. I got you. Other side. Welcome to Alta. And here we will find a shopping center where we can buy food for our next long journey. City center. Another city ka na naman. Okay, another city, another town. Hello. Wala na akong masabi sa road nila. The best. Kaganda. Amazing. Very, very amazing. Ganda. Picture tayo, picture sa bridge. Diretso na tayo. Another bridge. 300 meters. 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 3 Jordan. Cavuana. Kailangan mag-ganon. Going to the left is the Mathis Talent. Ganun. Alright, another. Let's see you in another stopover. Pindot kayo ng view.
Grabe no? Kana, imagine no? Kanang bato, yung mga agad.
Free view kayo sila dito, boy. Okay, malamig. Ayan, malamig pero okay lang. In the daytime, mainit naman. Bukid ang sa likod. This is a parking area where you are allowed to stay overnight. Ayan, challenging siya. And there's another one van there. They're gonna stay there. Kasi dun sa kabilang campsite, madami ng mga nakatambay. And the good thing is, look at this. Ocean view. Oh, 'di ba? So beautiful. Yan, pagising mo sa umaga, free view. Ano? Tapos, ako nagvi-video pero tutulungan ko naman si Mr. magluto. Okay, magluluto muna kami ng soup, okay? Meron ng free table. Ayan. Tambayan, and then ayan, palayo ta para makita kung sa ka beautiful ang area. Tapos pagising sa umaga, ayan yung makikita mo. It's nice, isn't it? Nice. Tapos ayan lang naman yung highway, oh. So everything is safe here in Norway. Yan, paliligo tayo tomorrow kung medyo mainit. At the daytime, mainit naman. Ready na ang aming quick soup. Yan muna. Kasi kumain naman kami kanina. Nice. Free lang yan, free. Okay, ready na tayo, sir? Ha? Grabe sa taas, oh. Sobrang tayog, oh. Abot-abot na yung yung sky.